Sometimes you find yourself in a place that feels like it's straight out of heaven. A place that surpasses all your expectations. The moment make you feel like you have stumbled upon a hidden paradise. The moment becomes even more magical when you are enjoying the view with a hot cup of coffee, holding hands with your loved one. Even in solitude, this place feels like heaven, where it seems to cleanse your soul. You can sit gazing at the horizon and time slips away without you even noticing. At times you can believe your own eyes, wondering, is what I am seeing even real?
দেখো এখানটায় পুরো ইউনিটটা আসছে যেমন
It's a reminder that some places aren't just destinations, they are experiences that stay with you forever.